Hi, let's talk about the 5 things I wish I knew before I was 16 years old. I'm going to be sharing my life experience, advice, and lessons. Number 1, time is gold. At this age, I value time more than money. Time forms the past, present, and future. It is the only one we can control in a specific time. I began to know the value of time when I was applying to a job, and I saw how hard and valuable time when it comes to building your skills to meet the standards about your application in your job. That I wish I invest that specific time to building skills every single day consistently, not occasionally. Unlike money, you can earn it, you could save it, you could take it back by working. But time is being offered every single day, which you cannot get back. You cannot buy time. I've learned that young people have better time while old people has lesser time. Whenever I get to work on school or in non-school related stuff, I use the Pomodoro technique, which you work 25 minutes and take a break for 5 minutes. So use your time wisely. And my second advice is health is wealth. You probably heard it. I believe that the best investment in life is health. If you want long-term success, you gotta invest for your long-term health. You should consider your health as one of your main priority in your life, because sometimes without health you couldn't work, you couldn't perform a single activity, even just walking, writing, reading, or talking with your family. All of that becomes useless. Invest your time in your health. If you're asking me how to be healthy, I just downloaded an app which I use every single day to work out 20 minutes a day. And also, exercising does not only benefit your physical health but also benefit your mental health, which is absolutely good. With a good health, you can work efficiently, effectively, and more productive than ever. My advice for teenagers is it's not healthy to lie on a couch every single day, sitting for too long, sleeping too much, watching TV, or exposing yourself too much on social media. Remember that everything too much is too dangerous. My third advice here is knowledge is power. I believe that knowledge is the only superpower that a real human can ever attain or possess. Knowledge can influence your academic performance or expand your ideas and skills, empower your imagination, improve your life, develop your cognitive and logical thinking, or strengthen your mental capacity, or even your health. I want to share you a story about Bill Gates, one of the wealthiest man who ever exists on earth, who was once asked in an interview what kind of superpower will he choose. Only one. And he did not answer the ability to fly, the ability to be invincible, the ability to teleport to all types of locations, or to time travel from history to future. He simply said the ability to read fast. I see that this man values wisdom more than money, wisdom more than wealth, and it's absolutely astonishing. I say invest your time in learning things, apply it in real life, and share it to the next generation, because I believe that a reader today will be a leader tomorrow. The number 4 tip I want to share you is about consistency. Consistency is the key. Let me tell you a story. There is one guy, his name is guy number 1. Imagine that he is going to a gym. He works out 12 hours every single day. 12 hours every single day. So how long is that? And after working out every day, he looks at his body, nothing changes. And he still continued to work out, and until 1 month later, he didn't see any changes, so he decided to quit. So he decided to quit his workout because there is no result after 1 month. But there is guy number 2 who keeps working on the gym 20 minutes a day, non-stop, every single day. Then days becomes weeks, and weeks becomes months, and months becomes years. And after years, he began to see results. And that is success, consistency, determination. Success doesn't happen overnight. You should not focus on the effort that you exert, but instead focus on how are you going to get the result, not the effort. Success is not we do occasionally, it is what we do consistently every single day. If I wasn't consistent on uploading a video every single week, I wouldn't build such skills in communication, editing videos. If I don't have that specific determination in life, I would quit this platform. That's why consistency is the key to victory. And my last advice is work smart. Why not hard? I can do it both. Work smart and hard, huh? No, there's a big difference between the two. You're going to be crazy if you combine work smart and hard. Remember the story when I mentioned about consistency as the key, the guy number one and guy number two? The guy number one was actually working hard. And guy number two was working smart by consistency, perseverance, and endurance. He focuses on the result because guy number one focuses on how he exerts his effort every day. It's not about the effort, it's about the result. If you work smart, you work productive. If you work hard, you work busy. Doesn't mean you work tons of activity every day. You're getting things done. There's a big difference. Understand what's the difference between working smart and working hard. When you work too hard, it influences your health, which brings you to procrastination or less productivity. But when you work smart, you invest time in your health, not only in work. You invest time socializing. You invest time in building skills. You invest time even if you have no time. Instead, you work smart at those specific tasks, like setting and writing down your daily and weekly goals on a notebook, or use the 80-20 rule, which you can find on YouTube, or schedule your plans, meditate and exercise, spend time with your family and friends, delegate the tasks to others, sleep 8 hours every day, eliminate distraction, do your hobbies, and give time to God. Working smart is not about being perfect. It's about making progress. So remember those 5 things. As long as you invest at them consistently, life doesn't guarantee you success. Life guarantees you 1% progress. If there's a will, there's a way. So I hope you learned something from my lessons. Those are the 5 experiences I experienced as a teenager that I wish I've told myself from the past years. And I wish you could do the same as well to others. That's it, and goodbye.